Well, a very pleasant good afternoon, everyone, and welcome into the Noon Report here on KOXE, your weather update for Central Texas on what's turned into a partly cloudy afternoon, and temperatures rapidly warming up well into the 90s for most of the area. We'll have a closer look at temperatures coming up here in just a bit. Right now, though, I want to show you XRAD 3D radar and give you kind of a tour across the area. As you can see, we're using the radar scan that's coming out of the Doppler radar in Moran, Texas. Dyess Air Force Base operates that. And a quick trip around the area, give you a closer view. And all this little light green stuff that you see on your screen is just ground return. I don't see any rain showing up at this time. Sliding on over into, say, Comanche County, same thing, just ground return. Moving down into the northern hill country. Now, it's right here in this area where we may see McCullough County or San Saba County, Mills County. Some isolated showers are forecast to develop near you this afternoon, starting between now and about 2 o'clock. Up to the north, Rising Star, Cross Plains, closer to the radar site, you'll see more ground return. But again, none of this is rain at this time, but those isolated showers are possible in the northern hill country counties especially. Could be something trying to pop up around Menard right now. All right, coming back here in just a moment with a look at the maps right after this.
Hi, this is Darren Black with Black Plumbing. We are excited about the reopening of Texas. At no time in our past has it been more important to work together for our future and the safety of our fellow neighbors. I ask you to please shop local and remind you that Black Plumbing will be here for you and your community while still maintaining our safety standards. For all your residential and commercial needs, Black Plumbing will be there for you. May God bless you and may God bless Texas.
Help is on the way.
And getting underway with the current conditions as registered out at the Brownwood Regional Airport at the noon hour. 90 degrees under fair skies. We have a northeast wind at 8 miles per hour. The barometer is steady, 30.12. Humidity, as it typically does in the afternoon, is falling, 38%. The heat index is 90. Here at KOXE KBWD Studios downtown Brownwood, it's 94 degrees right now. We're looking at 93 for Burnett. In Brady and McCullough County, 89. San Angelo, 92. Coleman showing 90 degrees. Comanche at 90 degrees, and Lampasas at 92 degrees here at the noon hour. Cisco checking in at 89. So your weather headlines look something like this. A few hill country showers are going to be possible this afternoon. Again, the counties would be Menard County, McCullough, San Saba, Mills. Short-lived, building there, moving south, but temperatures for all of us near normal for the middle part of August, maybe a couple of degrees above normal. And we're watching the tropics. More on that here in just a moment as we move along. As you can see, we have not much happening here. Starting to see a little bit of cloud cover develop over west central Texas at the noon hour. Majority of it's down here San Antonio southward down into the valley. And from here we go to our next slide, which shows you today's risk for severe thunderstorms. And really it's a low risk in the green shaded areas. That does include the northern hill country and points southward, then way up in the Texas Panhandle. And then looking at tomorrow's potential for severe storms. Again, low threats everywhere. South Texas and the low rolling plains and south plains of west central Texas, but we're kind of in the middle of both of those and not too worried about any kind of severe weather or the rain chances for that matter for tomorrow. As we move along, as we look at the hurricane tracks, we've got the wide view. We're in the Atlantic Ocean, and right here over South America, this system right here is something that may develop. It's not going to develop likely and get a name for the next couple of days, but by the time we get into Friday or so and it keeps moving into the Caribbean, certainly could become a stronger system than it is right now. So this is tropical wave number 1. Going to watch it as it heads in a westerly direction. Now tropical wave number 2, which is farther out into the Atlantic Ocean, is going to be the stronger of the two, and it looks like it will proceed to the west as well, and then maybe even as early as tomorrow could become a named storm. And then we have Genevieve. We're in the Pacific Ocean for Genevieve. This is a powerful Category 4 hurricane with winds of 130 miles per hour, and the forecast track is going to parallel the Baja Peninsula, and then it gets up into this area here where there is colder water, and it will likely weaken. Now sometimes, as I mentioned this morning, these systems can curve around and bring some of that Pacific moisture our way. Right now the forecast models don't anticipate that happening, though we could certainly use a good drink of water here on our very parched land. Forecast maps, again, for the next 12 hours, it's south central Texas Texas, where the majority of the showers are going to be as we look out to 24 hours from right now, taking us through tonight and going into tomorrow. We'll keep the rain chances pretty much in the same place near this front down here in south central Texas, advancing it to 36 hours from now. And again, we're high and dry here across our area, showers in South Texas, and then 48 hours from now, well, the rain chances not here, but maybe in the Panhandle, and again down in far South Texas near that low pressure system. How about those low temperatures tonight across Texas? And right here in Brownwood, we're going to be in the vicinity of 70 degrees. San Angelo 72, Abilene 70, Austin, San Antonio in the mid 70s, and then on the coast upper 70s. But you know what? Starting to cool down just a bit back up here in the Lubbock area near 66 for tonight. So let's check out the forecast for the rest of your day today. 97 degrees, skies partly cloudy, northeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mostly clear skies, low temperature near 67 degrees, northeast wind 5 to 10. And tomorrow's forecast, again, near 97, sun and a few clouds with a northeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. As you look at the 7-day weather forecast, you're going to see a slight chance of showers here on Saturday. 20%. That'll be actually Friday night and Saturday. And as you can tell, our temperatures are going to remain in the middle to upper 90s over the course of the next week, with overnight lows near 70, 72 or so. So not too bad. These overnight lows are very near normal for this time of year. Afternoon high slightly above. All right, that's our live video weather for you this afternoon. We'll have another edition tomorrow morning coming up on KOXE.com at 6.